Final step: glass bottles. Important. It's totally your responsibility to take care of yourself, so please follow my instructions and don't rush to take glass bottles, especially if you have no experience flairing with glass. Remember that every move you want to do with glass bottles must be perfect with plastic, especially juggling. Because while juggling you cross the bottles and they can collide, which will break them in the air, and it's very dangerous. So, if you do have experience doing flairing with glass bottles, you can use glass after each practiced move. But if you don't have such experience, it's better if you take glass bottles only after you finish all the course, or at least learn how to juggle with 3 bottles. And one more thing which will help to keep you safe. Before you want to do juggling with 2, 3 or 4 bottles using glass bottles, contact me directly through social media, send me your video of juggling with plastic, get my permission to use glass bottles. Do every move starting with 1 bottle. After you feel confident doing moves with empty glass bottles, put there 15 milliliters of water and practice everything again, but with water. Especially be careful with moves where you have to catch 2 bottles in one hand. Don't forget to send me your video before you start to do juggling with 3 and 4 glass bottles. Good luck!